Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable and set a recycle bin on a USB stick. Chapter 1. Enable recycle bin on USB. We'll start by opening Run. To do this, right-click on the Windows icon and select the Run option. Then type the command regedit and press the Enter key or press OK to execute it. We will see that the registry editor window opens. Then we will go to the route that you can see on the screen and that if you prefer, you can copy and paste directly. Once we are inside the Explorer folder, we will right-click on a blank space, then click on the New option and then on 32-bit dword value. The next thing will be to rename this value. To do this, press the F2 key once you click on it and set its name to recycle bin drives. Then, we double-click on this value to modify it. Here we will set the code you see on the screen, inside the value data field. We will also select the hexadecimal base and apply the changes with OK. After that, restart the computer to be able to apply the changes from the power options. After restarting, the changes have been applied. To check it, we are going to open our USB drive. We see that we have a folder that we want to delete, and that has a certain weight inside the USB disk. If we eliminate it, we will see that it still has the same weight. This is because it has not been permanently deleted and is in the recycle bin. If we open the recycle bin, we will see that the folder that we have deleted from our USB is there. We can also make us see that recycle bin inside the USB stick. To do this, we go to the File Explorer window of our USB. Then click on the three upper points, and then on Options. Here we enter the View tab. Then we look for and uncheck the box of Hide Protected Operating System Files. Accept the notice that appears before continuing and finally apply the changes by clicking on OK or Apply. Now we will see that the trash folder appears inside our USB drive. Note that this option that we have activated allows you to see the hidden system files throughout the computer. If at any time you want to disable the recycle bin on the USB, go back to the registry editor and delete the recycle bin drive value that we had created. Remember that you have to recover deleted items before. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. Set recycle bin size to USB. We have the possibility to configure the maximum size that we will have for the volume on disk of the USB. To do this, right-click on the recycle bin icon and click on Properties. Then tap on the corresponding USB drive. In the Custom Size option, set the maximum size you want to set. Apply the changes with OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.